Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhole Pallavi and our today's topic name is string in Java. So firstly, what is mean by string and what are the difference between string and array? Firstly, I would like to tell you what is the difference between string and array. So firstly, string is a collection and sequence of character, and array is store in the data type, multiple data type, and string store single data type. And then string have inbuilt methods like substring, equal to, character, uppercase, lowercase, is empty, is blank, then is compared to, and array having does not having any method. They can store value one by one in a single array. And then string is immutable and array is mutable, because string is immutable because we does not change the value of string. That's why string is mutable. Whenever a string is immutable, then if you want to string is mutable, then you use the string buffer or string builder classes to make a string. In that array is mutable. Mutable means we can change the array or array data type and store one by one. Then string use a caret method for giving a index of character one by one. And then array does not use the caret method and all that method, because firstly we put any input, then it store in array. Then string is collection of character and single data type, and we can store a multiple data type in with the help of array. And then string object store in string constant pool, and array object store in heap memory. Then let's discuss what is mean by string. So firstly, string is a sequence of character which provide the value of index. Then string is available in Java lang string classes. And string provide a many type of method like compare to, caret, concat, equal, uppercase, lowercase, is empty, is full. In most of method provided by string. And then let's see one by one what is the use of this string in shortly, this method. Firstly, if you want to create a two string, create a one string combine of two substring, then we use that time we use a concat method. And whenever you want to uppercase in our string, then you use a uppercase method. And then when you want to lowercase in that our string, then you use the lowercase method. Whenever we compare two string, and then we use the compare to method. Then and then whenever you want to contain of that string, then we use to contain of method. Then length method is used to calculate a length of string and substring. So and next one is intern method. Intern method is used to create retrieve the string constant pool object. Then uh, uh, string lang package are store the multiple classes like as, and methods like as serializable, comparable, and character sequence. So character sequence provide us to sequence of character. And whenever uh, whenever we want to create a string, then we can create a string with the help of three main classes like a string builder, and string buffer. And Java string is immutable. What is mean by immutable? immutable means that object is constant, and that value is constant, and that substring is constant. We cannot change this string, but we change the string with the help of its reference. And uh, then there are two types of object, and we get object of string. There are two types. First, we create object with the help of string literal, and second is we create object with the help of new keyword. In literal string, in literal we can it assign the string constant pool memory, and it store the string constant memory, and it create only one object. Then example like string s is equal to double quote welcome, then semicolon. It creates only one object and two references, and that two references point to the one object, that is called as string, that is called as string literal. And in that string new keyword, we can create a object of string. Syntax of that object, it is a string s1 is equal to new string parenthesis double quote welcome, then semicolon. In that new keyword object, we can create a two object and single reference. That single reference points to the two object in that new keyword object. Then a string is a collection of character, and that's all about the string. Thank you so much.